Things to remember when moving your computer.
Computers may need to be moved around the office for a lot of reasons, and this can be done without having to call the help desk or wait for a technician. But if a computer needs to be moved to another location within a county, for example from the main office to a satellite office, then keep these considerations in mind. If the computer is being relocated but not a staff member, then a service order must be submitted to the help desk so that the inventory system can be updated. If the computer and a staff member are relocated, then a service order must be submitted to the help desk so the inventory system can be updated, and a UARTS request must be submitted so that the user's drive and printer assignments can be updated as well. If you are moving your computer within your building, follow these simple steps. First, clear a space in the new area where the computer is to be moved. This will make it easier for you to place your computer and set it up. Make note of where all cables are plugged into the PC. Most of the cables are color-coded and will be easy to hook back up. If you're concerned about plugging everything back in the right place, you can use a camera or your cell phone to take a picture of the back of the computer before you disconnect the cables. Many devices, including the keyboard and mouse, connect to the computer using USB cables. It doesn't matter which USB port you connect your USB devices to. If you're not moving your computer very far, you may simply be able to unplug the power cords for the logic unit and the monitor, and unplug the network cable from the wall. Lay the monitor face down on the logic unit and move it without disconnecting all the cables. Once you have moved and reconnected the computer, you'll need to test it out to make sure everything is working properly. Press the power button. If your computer turns on, boots up, and loads Windows, that's a great start, but we need to make sure the network connection is working. To determine if a network connection is active, look on the back of the computer where the network cable is plugged in. There should be two lights. The one on the left of the network cable should be on, letting you know you are connected to the network. And the one on the right should be flashing, letting you know that it is sending and receiving information. If these lights are not on, the connection may not be active. If this is the case, you will still be able to log on to the computer, but you will not have access to network printers, the G or H drives, email, internet, CAPS, or the mainframe. But before you call the help desk, you can try a different network cable just to make sure there isn't a problem with the cable you're using.